Welcome to Daddy Bits. I am your host, the ugly one, and as always, my amazing co-host.
I'm
owning it.
We're never gonna let that go, huh?
Nope, not today.
Teflon John here.
Tefleezy Fosheezy is in the heezy. I'm just gonna say this right now, dude. F the 10-year yield,
bro. We got murdered today.
F the 10-year yield. I hate these bonds with a passion. I hate these bonds with so much passion. Like, dude, it feels like the Titanic is sinking and there's no life shift. There's no more life rafts. You know damn well that both of them could have, fit on that plank. She technically, you know what? I want her arrested for murder at this point. You know what I'm saying? I think,
fair enough.
They fit. They both fit on that plank.
Fair enough.
Today we have a pretty jam-packed show with you guys. We're going to talk about the top two stocks that we want you guys to be watching, as well as our viewer stock that they're interested in. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the post notification bell, and if you guys are interested in getting your stock reviewed or have any ideas on any stocks that we want to cover, please put it on the comments down below. And with that being said, let's get to the show. Right now, we have the Nasdaqs. Nasdaq futures are on deck, John.
Hey,
this right here hurts.
Off topic, Mickey D's is actually a strong value stock.
Mickey D's is a solid stock.
It is.
Should we look at Mickey D's as a bonus?
Hell no, man.
No. I'm going to talk about, you know what? On Saturday's episode of the Trading Daddies podcast, I'm going to talk about top 5 fast food sandwiches.
All right, bet.
Right? I'm going to give my top 5 and you're going to give your top 5?
Yep.
Let's do that. Nasdaq futures are I don't know, dude. It's a doji. This is looking a little grim right now.
Yeah, oh my god. I think we got 2 more days of this pain.
You think Tuesday would be the day?
Oh my god. I don't know, man. I got spanked today.
Bro, we both got spanked. I think everybody on the Discord got spanked. You know what's funny about our Discord is every time we have these days that are down, some people on our Discord are two-way traders, right? So they short and they go long as well. So the people who are two-way traders, they made some money. But for us long leaning, we were throwing up pictures of like ice sandwiches. We're throwing up struggle meals.
Dude.
It is the funniest. But let's look at the 15-minute chart on the Nasdaq. Yeah, this isn't looking great, dude.
I want to cry.
Yeah, I want to cry too. As you can see, it already dumped all the way down over here, and we're trading sideways. I don't see an end to this pain. Also, on top of that, just be careful. The people who are holding high value growth, but high value stocks, please be prepared because tomorrow is quadruple witching. So a lot of these hedge funds are rebalancing, and you never know. We may see some pop in tech because it may be cheap enough for us to move forward. And I mean,
I like that.
You like that? You like that assessment?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. Yeah.
You like that assessment? I do like that assessment.
That's going to be a transfer of money.
Yeah, I definitely do like that assessment. Yeah. So I mean, it's just be aware of what's gonna happen in the future. I feel like we may see some good moves on the Nasdaq. So just be hopeful, but at the same time, be prepared to take your profits. Right?
This isn't it, Chief.
This may be it, Chief.
No, this isn't it, Chief.
This isn't it, Chief. When will it be it, Chief?
I got spanked, bro. Like, oh my god. Let's move on. Yeah.
Let's move on. Let's move on to the SPY over here. On the daily chart for the SPY.
Oh my god. 389. Right, you got 389. You got 383.
It is not looking good. This I don't know. Is this a correction, or do you think this is a start of something bigger?
Oh my god. That's going to be tough because like Nasdaq's already. If this breaks, oh my god, we're gonna go lower, and I don't want to see Tesla in like 420.
Don't tell me that.
Go on.
Why does it hurt so much? Why does it hurt so much?
Let me call my ice dealer real quick.
But yeah, it's not looking good either on the 15-minute chart. But overall, the pattern I see is still somewhat bullish, and I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. You see this uptrend we're still in, right?
We are long term. We are.
Yeah, long term we're still on this uptrend. I mean, it still hasn't broken the. I think I think this is a level right here, 38.49. If it ever breaks 38.49 tomorrow, I think that will be the start of the bear run or the bear drop. Is that a thing? The bear drop?
Like the bear's taking a poop?
Yeah, the bear is taking a poo.
Is that what you're saying? Yeah, no, that's going to go lower.
Right.
But you know what? Hey, how about this? Be optimistic. Yeah. There's two sides of the coin. When you're bearish, there's some other folks on the side that are bullish at the same time. That's why it's a market. There's buyers and sellers. So.
Yeah. Exactly. Let's take a look at the stocks that we want you guys to keep on your watch list. Again, this is not financial advice, so these are the stocks that we are looking to get into. Let's talk about our first one. It is ARKK, which is ARK Innovation ETF, which is ran by the almighty Cathie Woods, the queen herself. This is her fund.
Can I already say like a couple of things?
Yeah.
This looks like a Tesla chart. I've seen it too many enough times.
Man, it is true. It is true. You know what? The ARKK has been beaten down because of once the correction, right? Plus this whole bond yield thing, it's definitely taken techs for a tumble. And you can see right here, I think this is a false breakout. We might double bottom, to be honest with you, before we go back up.
That's scary. Yeah, that is scary.
Right? But if we do see a double bottom, do you think we can potentially go back up because that's a reverse head and shoulders?
If that breaks, that creates a new level. And that's scary. Yeah. And that's when you're like, you got to rethink about your portfolio and rebalance it yourself.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Let's talk about rebalancing on the Saturday pod. I think that's a very important topic. Yeah. But to me, ARKK is one of those funds that if you want exposure in tech, it's definitely a good thing to have. Because I mean, most of the stuff that's already in ARKK are stocks that we're very how do you say this? We are very bullish on to begin with.
Because so it looks like exactly Tesla.
Tesla's the highest weighted. Dude, it's 10% of the fund. You see Square, Teladoc, Roku. These are high growth, high valuation stocks that are taking a tumble in the recent correction, as well as being affected by the 10-year yield. But you guys see right here, all of these stocks are in the ARK fund. So if you guys are interested in these stocks and you guys don't want to be fully exposed onto one single play, I would say ARKK is a better bet for you, so that you guys could get definite exposure without having that much risk. Again, all investments are a risk. Just make sure you protect your capital. Huh?
Where's Nano?
Neo is not part of this.
No, Nano.
Oh, Nano?
Yeah.
Where is Nano Dimensions? Because I think it's part of ARKX.
Oh no, that's Genomes.
Is it ARK G?
Yeah, ARK G.
RG. Yeah, so she has different funds, but this is her main innovation fund. So that's what ARK is. John actually wants to talk about a special stock here. Let me just pull this up for us. John, why is it that you want to talk about this stock?
TKAT. All right, so TKAT, we're going to make it nice and quick right here. So ticker symbol TKAT. It's called Takung. How do you even pronounce this thing?
Takung?
Takung ARK Company Limited Company. Takung? Is it Takung?
Takung?
I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. Anyways, just it closed at 30.06, and for today this candle right here. That's the top. That means you hit the highs of the high. So since you close weak, most likely tomorrow you're going to open weak.
Right there. You guys can see this RSI is at 90. That is scary already.
That RSI is ready to drop. And, you know, anything above 70, like rule of thumb, you know, it's overbought. So there were actually more sellers towards the end, okay, than
Let's
buyers.
take a look at that.
So if you look at the 15-minute, you see how it popped towards after hours and then it sold off. There you go. So
right here.
But it only registered 40.54 as the highest for, you know, the actual day.
Yeah.
So that's why we're not counting 43.90 on a daily, because they hit after hours, and they don't count after hours on this one. So just check out the RSI. You know, just got to be careful with this one. I would set my stop loss at 1875. If that breaks, it's totally going to go, you know, even worse, lower or worse. I would put a limit at 40.35. If that breaks, you know, obviously this thing's going to moon some more. So you got to be careful. It's a pump and dump. That's it. So
fair, definitely fair. Definitely fair. I do believe on the technical basis it will pretty much dump, just because it's way overbought. And you know, over here at Trading Daddies, we do trade off of technicals, some news, but mostly technicals. We really try to find value in anything that we do play. But again, if you guys want to be featured on future episodes, please subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you guys get a nice ding 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 every time a new episode drop, as well as give us a nice like. And then drop in the comment section the stocks that you guys want us to cover. But today's stock of one of our Discord members is DISCA, the Discovery Channel, Discovery Communications.
Who do you watch Discovery Channel?
Dude, all right, let me tell you guys about Discovery Channel. In my household, we subscribe to Discovery Plus just because we love 90 Day Fiance.
I cannot.
What do you Bro, 90 Day Fiance is one of the best shows out there.
You mean Big Ed?
Dude. This guy? Big Ed's the guy, dude. Big so everybody like Big Ed's the guy, dude. Big Ed's the guy. Bro, there's this episode. So what's really cool about the Discovery Plus is on their episodes on the webs on their portal, right, in the streaming service. Dude, there's episodes where it's like super outlandish. Big Ed is out there putting avocado on his face and taking a chip and just scraping it off and eating it. It is the grossest stuff ever. You see this guy right here scraping avocado on his face, just putting the chip in his mouth, dude.
That must be salty, huh?
Dude, I don't think he put salt in it because it's already salty as it is.
You know, there's a nice chart.
This is a really pretty chart. It is over. Shout out to Molten Nismo, by the way. Molten Nismo is the one that brought this to our attention. But I think this chart is way overbought.
Jesus,
way overbought.
Who would have thought? Discovery Channel will make you rich.
No, you know what it is, bro. You know what it is, because it's not just the Discovery Channel that's in that's part of Discovery Plus. It's like TLC's on there, Home and Garden, like the Joanna Gaines shows.
Oh man, I love that show.
Right? There's so many things that you guys could watch on the Discovery Channel. You know what shows I love on the Discovery Channel is Blue Planet. I love like ocean.
Yeah.
Ocean, just like, and plus David Attenborough's voice is very soothing.
Yeah.
That guy could narrate my life and I could be happy. But I think this is way too bought. And if you are in DISCA, make sure that you guys protect your profits. Last thing that you want is just for this to start dipping and you thinking that it's still going to go higher. But
that looks like a Tesla chart.
Yeah, you don't want to buy this. Also, if you guys are looking to buy this, don't buy this here because this is the top. Don't buy this top.
That's where we buy.
Yeah, that's what we buy. We are the ones who buy at the top. Do not do that.
I'll probably buy this. I'll probably buy this at $75.99.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't even bother. Just wait for it to dip a little bit, and then wait for the RSI to go below 40, below 50. 50 is acceptable. Below 40 is where I would start taking a look at this, especially with tomorrow's quad witching hour. Overbought stocks will see a negative downturn, in my opinion. What do you think?
And then the ones that are oversold would probably get bought up because they're cheap.
Because they're cheap.
Yeah.
That's essentially what a rebalance is.
That's a rebalance right there. Yeah.
That's a rebalance, right? But yeah, these are the stocks that we think that you guys should be keeping on your watch list, making sure that you guys protect your profits at all costs. Make sure that you guys manage your risks, follow the charts, follow the technicals if you guys do. But with that being said, follow us on Instagram at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trade. Follow us both at Trading Daddies, tradingdaddies.com for all your news and all your merch. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the post notification bell. We are still running a contest that is on our Instagram, so please follow the directions. If you haven't checked it out, please go to our Instagram and follow the rules so we can get you guys in. We are giving away some Bitcoin to all y'all. 2 winners will be giving out some Bitcoin. I'd want some free Bitcoin. I wish we could just keep the Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Any last words, my guy?
That's it.
That is it. Remember, at Trading Daddies, we follow the technicals, and please, let's get trading and the charts online.